You're sleeping on this short mature hairstyles, trust me on that. Let's be real. Short mature hairstyles are underrated, and you might be sleeping on some absolutely gems. Okay, right, welcome guys, this is Short Hair Jig. Now everyone talks about long hair, but short mature hairstyles well, let's see, they are stylish, they're bold, and way more versatile than people think. Take for example top part afros, for example. Alright, now it is clean, modern, and effortlessly cool. What about the coily pixie cut, which are soft, feminine, and powerful at the same time? You see, so trying different hairstyles could be the next thing to want to do, right? Just try different ones, you never can tell. So we don't want to sleep on any of these hairstyles, which is why I'm mentioning them. Now, there are defined coils look. Another hairstyle called defined coil looks. Alright, now this is created with nothing more than a good cream and your fingers. So you pack a lot of cream on the hair and then use your finger to twist to the shape, alright, that you are looking for, that you want it to be. So there's another one. This is called short twist out. Short twist out, give volume without the weight. And then there is another one, afro silhouette, alright, afro silhouette. It makes a statement whenever you are rocking it. It makes a statement without stress, without a word. You don't need to say anything. Someone sees you rocking afro silhouette, it makes a statement. So what makes these styles special is how they highlight you, your face, your features, your confidence. They are low maintenance, protective, and perfect for busy schedules. No excessive detangling, no heavy manipulation, just healthy hair thriving. Okay, so if you have been looking for short natural hairstyles, this is your reminder. They are not bothering, they are not boring, they are not limiting, and they are definitely not basic. They are powerful, stylish, and worth trying. So next time you're thinking about switching up things, don't sleep on short natural hair. It might just become your favorite look. Until we come your way again on another one, okay? At this point we say bye bye. Please do remember to subscribe. Thank you guys.
life, in my family's life, and everybody that is connected to me.